What's up guys, my name is Katrina. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to improve your pelvic and your hip mobility. If you struggle with a lot of tension or tightness in your pelvis and your lower back muscles, doing something like a hip hike is a really helpful exercise. So what we're going to do is we're going to have you lay on your back and you are just going to keep your legs nice and straight. Now the goal with this exercise is to isolate movement in your pelvis. So you don't want to see any movement coming from your ribs or your upper body, basically. So what I like to do is I like to place my hands on my ribs to keep them nice and stable. And we're going to do this up and down motion of the pelvis. So what we're doing is we're working on improving your frontal plane motion of your pelvis. And you're thinking about as you drop your pelvis down, you're lengthening your pelvis away from your ribs, and then you switch. Now, you'll probably notice that one direction, or it's harder to drop one pelvis than the other. So for me, it's harder to actually drop my right side. And my right side, I know, is a lot more tight for me because I tend to have a lot more right hip pain when I'm hiking. So again, just do that for about 30 seconds to a minute. Again, you will or probably likely notice some asymmetry between the left and right sides. Spend about 30 seconds to a minute again. Just do whatever is comfortable and see if that helps. In addition to doing hip hikes, you can also do a pelvic rotation exercise, which I will link below and also link here, and you can check that out because you eventually want to improve mobility in all three planes of motion of your pelvis, and this is just working on the frontal plane. So you also want to improve pelvic mobility into the rotation and then also into the sagittal plane.